Welcome back again, children. Let's start today's work. Today's date is 10th of November 2020. Day is Tuesday. Subject is English language. And our topic is lesson number 10, question words that we had started yesterday. This is our part 2 and last part of this lesson. And today we are going to start the revision time, part 1. Okay. So let's start. Yesterday we had started this lesson and we had completed 1 and 2 exercises in the book. Rest of the 2 exercises we will do today. First, third exercise is put in the correct question words. We had studied 3 question words. Where, when we ask for a place, we use the word where. Who, about the person when we are asking. Then we use the word who. What, about a thing. If we ask about a thing, then we use the question word what. So let's see the answer and then we will find out which question word we will use in which question. First is dash is that man. He is my uncle. So this is we are asking about a person here. So which question word will come here? Who. Who is that man? Dash is your father. He is a doctor. So we are asking about a profession. Profession is a thing. So what is your father? Question word will come what. What is your father? Third is are your bags, about a place. We are asking about a place. तुम्हारे books कहाँ हैं? They are in my bag. Where are your books? Who is that man? What is your father? Where are your books? Now question 4 is find from the box the right answer for each question. Some 5 questions are given and the answers are given below. Answers are he is Manu, he is an artist, she is a teacher, they are in his bag, he is going to school. Randomly they are given. Okay, so we have to find the correct answer for each question. First is who is that boy? Who is that boy? He is Manu. You will write the answer. He is Manu. Where is he going? So the answer will be he is going to school. He is going to school. So you will write the answer. He is going to school. Where are his books? Where are his books? Books may be in the bag. So they are in his bag. They are in his bag. What is his father? What is his father? He is an artist. You'll write the answer. He is an artist. What is his mother? उसकी mother क्या है? You will write the answer. She is a teacher. Okay, she is a teacher. You will write the answer. She is a teacher. So from this box you will find the answer and write it in this spaces. Okay, this lesson you will do in your book only. Then you will turn the page and come to the revision time. This is our second revision time. First we had done before in our first term exams when we had studied, then we had done the first revision time. This is our revision time to unit 6 to 10. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आस्क क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग आईएनजी. आपको आईएनजी लगा के इनका क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. रिमेंबर विद द सिंगुलर यू यूज द इज, विद द प्लूरल यू यूज द आर, विद यू यूज द आर, विद आई यू यूज द एम वर्ब. ये सारी वर्ब्स आपको याद होगी. ठीक है ना. अगर सिंगुलर है, बॉय और गर्ल है, देन यू यूज द इज. अगर प्लूरल है, यू यूज द वर्ब आर. और अगर आई है, आई के साथ क्या लगाते हैं? एम. और इसके साथ ही अगर यू है तो यू के साथ आर लगाते हैं. ओके, ये आपको याद रखना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन 1 इज सोनी फ्लाई अ काइट. तो इसको आपने क्वेश्चन में कैसे चेंज किया? इज, क्योंकि सोनी इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन. सोनी, फ्लाई का बन जाएगा फ्लाइंग, एंड अ काइट, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. So we will continue with this exercise in our copy. You will do it in your language copy. Take out your language copy and write the date, then revision time second, page number 52. Ask question using ing. Second is she eat an orange. So question will be is she, eat will become eating an orange. She is a singular noun. So is she eating an orange? Question mark. You study grammar. You के साथ you will use the verb are. Are you study will become studying grammar. Are you studying grammar? Question mark. They swim in the river. They is the plural noun, so are they swim will become swimming double M in the river. Are they, see the spelling of swimming, SWIMMING. Are they swimming in the river? The boys play a match. Again, this is the plural noun. Boys, ज़्यादा boys हैं. So are the boys playing a match? Question mark. Are the boys playing a match? Then there is a question mark. The sun shine in the sky. Sun is a singular noun. So is the sun, shine will become shining. तो सी द स्पेलिंग हमने ई को रिमूव करके ing यूज किया. In the sky. Is the sun shining in the sky? So this is all for today. Tomorrow we will continue with this revision time. Okay. So let's meet tomorrow again. Thank you.